We've now chosen an area. The next step is identifying homeowners within it to fully realize the opportunity. Once your map boundary is set, you can start applying simple filters, such as owner-occupied homes or absentee owners. Suddenly, your neighborhood isn't just streets on a map, it's real homeowners, real names, real addresses. From there, you can export a list, create mailing labels, or save the search for later. Let me show you how. Select Mailing Labels. Choose whether you want to download a CSV file or download actual mailing labels to print. Select the address type and who the mailing label would be addressed to. You can filter by owner occupied and absentee owner here as well, if you didn't already do this step earlier, and then select print. It's important to note that you get 2,000 free mailing labels per month to export, so always check your records in the export here. Now you've gone from I need clients to here are people I can reach out to. That's progress. Next up, we'll break down how to understand whether the neighborhood actually has enough sales activity to support your efforts by calculating the turnover.